Hey, it's Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the lint filter in a Samsung dryer. Let's get started. First thing we'll need to do is open the front door by grabbing the handle and pulling towards you. The lint filter is located in the bottom of the dryer right behind the front door. To remove the filter, simply grab it and lift up and out to remove. If you have a bad lint filter and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. With the text, clean before each use, facing up, and so you can easily read it, insert the lint filter and push down until it seats back in place. If the text is facing the other direction, you will not be able to install the filter properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.